Hello, how are you? I will explain the operations in brackets when you have integer numbers and multiplications and divisions as well. Let's start with numbers in brackets. Here you are some examples of operations that you can find in your exercises. You can have negative, open brackets, negative 3, I close brackets, positive, open brackets, minus 9 or negative 9, close brackets. You can have, and also you have here another example, minus or negative, I open brackets, positive 2, I close brackets. Okay, so to do these operations, to remove the brackets, okay, remove, this is the same as eliminate. So to remove brackets, we need some rules. Okay, we need some rules. So that's what I'm going to explain today. Okay, when you have a minus, you have a negative before a brackets. This is the same as opposite of, this is the same, and now I write the number in the brackets, minus 3. So what is the opposite of minus 3? This is obviously plus 3 or only 3. Okay? So when you find a negative before brackets, this is the same as saying what is the opposite of the number that you have in the brackets. We have a similar example here in negative, I open brackets, plus 2, close brackets. So this is the same as opposite of plus 2. And this is obviously minus 2. Okay? Well, I have to say something. In your operations, you don't have to write this opposite of, opposite of. Of course, you can write the solution straight, directly. Okay, you can write minus 2 or you can write 3. Okay, let's see what happens when you find a positive. You have positive minus 9, positive minus 9. Positive means the same as, same. If minus meant opposite, if minus was opposite, plus is the same as minus 9. This is obviously minus 9. So what you can see is that we don't change the number that is inside the brackets. We write the same number because the plus means the same, is the same. Okay, let's see now a longer operation. For example, minus 4 minus, I open brackets, 3 minus 6 plus 2 minus 5. In this operation, I have brackets, additions, and subtractions. So in the order of operations, the first type of operations to do is the brackets, and then we simplify additions and subtractions. So let's start doing the brackets. I have -4, minus, I open brackets. Okay, I have here an operation that I have to do, okay. 3 minus 6 plus 2, let me write down here the operation, 3 minus 6 plus 2. I am going to add the positive numbers first, so I take the positive numbers, 3 and the addition, sorry, so this is 5. Now I take subtractions and negative numbers. I have here -6 only. And if you remember, 5 minus 6 is -1. Okay, so this is -1. I close brackets. Okay, let's continue. Okay, minus 5. You have a minus here before the brackets, and the minus means opposite. Opposite of -5 is +5. Okay, opposite of -5. Okay, this is +5 equals. Okay, now I have -4, and I have again the same situation. Minus is the opposite of -1. The opposite is +1. +1 +5. Now I take the positive numbers I have and the additions. I have here an addition, 1. Now I take the subtractions and negative numbers, so I have here -4. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. I forgot this number. Okay, sorry, +1 +5 is +6. Okay, this is 6. Okay, so let me put this more clear. So this is 6. Okay. And now I have -4. So 6 minus 4 is obviously 2. Okay, so let's see now the multiplication and divisions quickly, because it's quite simple. Okay, and after the multiplication and divisions, in next videos we will see mixed operations, combined operations with multiplications, brackets, etc. Yep. So let's start with the multiplication. So in multiplications and divisions we have some rules. These rules are: when we multiply two positive numbers, this is the same as plus. You have plus a number times minus a number, it means minus. You have minus times minus, minus a number times minus a number, this is the same as plus. Okay, and finally minus times plus is minus. Let's see an example. 2 times plus 3. Okay, we have two positive numbers. If we multiply both numbers, we get 6 positive. We are in the first rule. For the second rule, I can write 3 times minus 4, and the result has to be negative. Negative 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. For the third rule, I can write, for example, minus 4 times minus 5. This is plus 20, or only 20, okay? And for the last rule, for this one, okay, we are writing examples for each rule. I can write minus 2 times minus 8, so times plus 8. This is minus 16. Finally, with the division, we have exactly the same rules, okay? So plus divided by plus will be plus, plus divided by minus will be minus, minus divided by minus is positive, and minus divided by positive is minus. For example, 12 divided by 2, we have two positive numbers, this is 6. 14 divided by minus 7, we are in the second rule, okay? We have a positive number divided by a negative number, this is minus 2. For the third rule, minus 9 divided by minus 3, we get plus 3 or only 3. Okay, 3 or plus 3 is the same, okay? Or in all positive numbers, in all the positive numbers is the same, plus or not writing the plus, okay? And finally, minus 25 divided by 5, positive 5, okay? This is minus 5. Okay, so any question, please let me know on the model or in class. Bye, and thank you for paying attention.